Saw your email. You want to know how they went from that line to that line. I think it's your question. So, how did they simplify this? Well, you got a 13, a 12, 11, and a 10 here. You got a 4, 3, 2, and a 1. Now, you could just multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator, divide, and it'd equal this product. But, that's not your question. How'd they get here? Well, first thing I look at, I see 14, 4 times 3 is 12. And so I'm going, 12, and I'll mark those out. 4 times 3 is the same as 12, and so those go out. Then I got this 2 here. I'm thinking, what can I do with that? Well, 2 go into 10, 5 times. So, 2 go into there 5 times. So, I just divide the 2 in there 5 times. And so what am I left with? 13, that dropped out, 11, well, and that became 5. And so I suspect that's how they come up with that. Hope that helps.